Today, I'll show you how to replace the FUSR unit in a Canon C5535 by top here. First, power off the machine and unplug it. The FUSR gets very hot, so keep in mind that. Open the right hand cover, then locate the FUSR at the right. Loosen the securing blue lock and gently slide it out. I use one hand, but make sure to use both hands. Take your new FUSR, align it with the slot, slide it in, and it will lock securely. Close the covers, plug the copy back in, and power it on. Finally, run a few test prints to make sure the paper feeds smoothly and the print quality is clear. And that's it, that's how you replace the FUSR in a Canon 5535i in under a minute. Thanks for watching.